Picture this. It's 2 a.m. before your final exam. You're surrounded by messy notes, highlighted textbooks, and a cold cup of coffee. You stare at your scribbles, feeling lost and overwhelmed. You remember trying to capture every word in class, but now your notes are a tangled web. This isn't just you. Most students face this chaos every semester. You put in the hours, but your notes feel more like a burden than a tool. The problem starts in the lecture. You're listening, processing, and writing all at once. A huge cognitive load. The result? Disorganized notes that miss the big picture. You end up spending precious study time just trying to make sense of your own writing. It's stressful, inefficient, and leads to burnout. But it's not about intelligence or effort. It's about using the right methods. You don't have to be trapped in this cycle. There's a better way to take notes and actually learn. Let's rethink how you capture information from the start. For years, students relied on linear note-taking, writing everything down line by line. But lectures aren't always linear. Professors jump around, and your notes quickly become a jumble. Typing can lead to mindless transcription, while handwriting can be too slow to keep up. Linear notes rarely show how ideas connect, leaving you with isolated facts. Every subject is different. History isn't calculus, and your notes shouldn't look the same for both. Using one method for every class is like using a hammer for every job, inefficient and frustrating. To truly master your courses, your note-taking must adapt. It's time to match your method to your subject. Smarter studying starts with matching your note-taking style to the subject. For concept-heavy classes like history or literature, try the Cornell method: notes on the right, cues on the left, summary at the bottom. This structure helps you review and synthesize information right away. For process-based subjects like math or physics, use flow notes, arrows, diagrams, and doodles to map out steps and relationships. You're not just copying formulas, you're visualizing how problems unfold. For complex systems like biology or economics, mind maps are powerful. Start with a central topic, branch out to main ideas, and break those into details. This visual approach reveals connections and hierarchies at a glance. The right method turns note-taking into active learning. Tailor your approach and your notes become your best study tool. Now supercharge your notes with AI tools. AI isn't here to do your work, but to help you organize, summarize, and interact with your notes. Finished a Cornell page? Use ChatGPT to generate a summary or quiz questions. Messy digital notes? Notion AI can organize them into tables, flashcards, or toggle lists. Can't keep up in fast lectures? Otter.ai records and transcribes, so you can focus on understanding. Later, fill in gaps using the transcript. For quick ideas, Google Keep with Gemini AI captures and organizes thoughts on the go. These tools save time and reduce stress, letting you focus on learning. Combine proven methods with smart tech for a seamless study system. Your notes become organized, searchable, and far more effective. University isn't about who can write the fastest. It's about deep understanding. Strategic note-taking plus AI unlocks real learning. Organized, tailored notes turn studying into discovery, not drudgery. You'll save time, make connections, and walk into exams confident. This isn't about shortcuts. It's about working smarter. Tech enhances your intelligence. It doesn't replace it. Learning to leverage AI is a skill that lasts beyond college. Start small. Try a new method or tool in one class. Study smarter, not harder, and unlock your full potential. The future of learning is here. Embrace it.